Are those extra inches around the waist putting health at risk? On RSA, we've noticed that many people focus on appearance, but belly fat is more than a cosmetic concern. It increases the chances of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even early mortality. Today, we're interpreting expert guidance to show how to tackle belly fat effectively. Emily Craig, senior health writer at The Telegraph, specializes in nutrition, exercise, and brain health. She previously served as deputy health editor at Mail Online and holds a master's degree in newspaper journalism from City, University London. She recently shared practical advice on reducing belly fat, and here on RSA, we break it down in a way that's actionable for viewers. Understanding belly fat is key. There are two main types: subcutaneous fat under the skin and visceral fat around internal organs. Our channel observation: even people who look slim can carry dangerous levels of visceral fat. That's why focusing only on weight is misleading. Waist measurements matter more than the scale. To check if belly fat is a concern, measure the waist at the narrowest point near the belly button and the hips at the widest part of the buttocks. Calculate the waist-to-hip ratio. Healthy: waist to hip ratio 0.8 or lower for women. Healthy: waist to hip ratio 0.95 or lower for men. Moderate: waist to hip ratio 0.81 to 0.85 for women. Moderate: waist to hip ratio 0.96 to 1 for men. High: waist to hip ratio 0.86 or higher for women. High: waist to hip ratio 1 or higher for men. On RSA, we emphasize that this simple test often reveals hidden risks that a regular scale or BMI can't show. Visceral fat is dangerous because it increases inflammation and hormone disruption, raising the risk of metabolic issues like fatty liver, heart disease, and some cancers. Our observation: many viewers are surprised that waist size affects health more than overall weight. Awareness is the first step toward change. Losing belly fat isn't about endless crunches. Diet is the most important factor. On RSA, we recommend focusing on nutrient-rich foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, because sustainable fat loss starts with what goes on the plate. People exercising outdoors, running, cycling, swimming, exercise supports fat loss, but it works best alongside proper nutrition. Aerobic activities like walking, running, cycling, or swimming raise heart rate and burn calories. Strength training builds lean muscle and boosts metabolism. Our channel observation: consistency and enjoyment are more important than intensity. Viewers who make exercise fun stick with it longer. 5 exercises. Here are 5 expert recommended exercises from Emily Craig, interpreted for RSA. 1. High intensity interval training, HIIT, best for calorie burn. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest. Combines cardio and strength for maximum calorie burn. Examples: treadmill sprints, jump squats, push-ups, punch bag intervals. Observation from RSA: HIIT is highly effective, but beginners should start gradually to avoid burnout. 2. Functional strength circuits, best for intermediate sequence of exercises targeting large muscle groups. Mountain climbers, burpees, bicycle crunches, kettlebell swings. Our viewers often find these circuits fun and engaging because they move quickly and provide visible results. 3. Electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, best for muscle growth and recovery. Uses low-level electrical currents to enhance muscle activation. Strengthens the core efficiently. On RSA, we highlight EMS as a time-efficient option for those recovering from injury or limited on time. 4. Skipping, jump rope, best for coordination. Improves hand-eye foot coordination. Burns calories effectively and strengthens cardiovascular health. Our channel observation: short skipping sessions are easy to fit into daily routines and show consistent fat-burning results. 5. Boxing training, best for stress release. Combines aerobic and strength exercises to reduce fat. Improves body composition and mental well-being. My observation: viewers often find boxing a fun way to relieve stress while targeting belly fat, making adherence easier. Balanced meals, portion control, water intake, even the best exercise cannot replace proper nutrition. On RSA, we stress small, sustainable changes, reduce snacking, take stairs, walk short distances, and consistently choose healthier foods. These habits create long-term results without extreme routines. Diet plus exercise plus consistency. To summarize, belly fat, especially visceral fat, is dangerous, but it can be reduced with the right combination of nutrition, exercise, and sustainable lifestyle changes. On RSA, we recommend a balanced approach. Combine HIIT, functional circuits, EMS, skipping, and boxing with mindful eating for the best results. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen, but moving, staying active, and building muscle are essential. Start with small, consistent changes, and over time, inches around the waist will shrink, and overall health will improve. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Check the description for a waist to hip ratio calculator and start your belly fat assessment today.